All right, for this one, I would draw John. And his distance from a building. Should tell you he's 182 feet tall. They tell you he's 71.5 inches, but they're asking you for your final answer to the nearest tenth of a foot. So I would actually write his height over here. I tried to find the decimal, but it's such a long decimal, and obviously it doesn't terminate, it repeats. I'm actually going to write his height as a fraction so that my answer rounded isn't going to be as inaccurate. So I put the 182 in the wrong place. It's 182 feet from the building, which I also know is this one, 182. We know that this is theta, which is 28 degrees, because it's the angle of elevation. And I just want to know what is the hypotenuse. From there, it's going to be adjacent over hypotenuse. So adjacent over hypotenuse is cosine of 28 degrees is adjacent over hypotenuse, which is our zip line. You really technically just swap these two. You would times by x, then divide by the cosine of 28. And I'm getting 206.1 feet. I have been in contact with Miss Moore because the more I work with this problem, I'm not sure what his height has to do with it. So I would think for right now, that's probably the best answer. But if you get it wrong, I will go ahead and send her a further message.